Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are here to celebrate the birthday of a great leader, Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He was born on 25th December 1876 in Karachi. He is called the father of the nation because he gave us our beloved country Pakistan. Quaid Azam worked very hard to give Muslims a free land where they could live with peace and freedom. He taught us the importance of faith, unity, and discipline. He always said that hard work and honesty make a nation strong. We should follow his words and work to make Pakistan a great country. Let us remember his sacrifices and promises to be good citizens of Pakistan. Thank you, Mr. President.